Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia 5, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, simply enable it. All you need to do is pull down the notification panel and it will be right here. You can tap on it and that's about it. Now if you want to set it up to have a little bit more control over it, you can hold this toggle and it will take you to the settings. So from here you have the exceptions right here. So for calls, you can tap on it, allow calls, and then you can tap on it, you have several options. So from anyone, contacts only, shared contacts, which are, well, different way of calling favorites, and don't allow any callers. So you can choose whichever one suits you. And then you also have this nice option right here. So allow repeat callers. So if someone calls you twice within 15-minute period, as it is set right here, the second time they will actually be able to reach you, even though, for instance, normally they shouldn't be able to. So if you have, for instance, set it to shared contacts, and someone from your normal contact list that hasn't been added as favorite will call you. If they call you twice, the second time you will hear the call, as long as you have this on, of course. So from here you can go back, then you have messages, which has, well, same options right here, without the 15-minute rule thing. And then you also have restrict notifications. You have a couple settings here, how notifications are displayed, and there's the automatic. So for instance, turn on automatically, you can tap on here and you can set up your custom automatic schedule. So you can either use one that already exists by editing this one, for instance the sleep one, and when you go into it you can see how it's set. So right now it starts at 10 p.m. ends at 7 a.m. and is all week long. So number one, we can change it to work only Monday through Friday, and I'm gonna make it at work Do Not Disturb mode. So Monday through Friday, start time 9, end time 5. There we go. So it's now 9 to 5 and Monday through Friday. And then you also have the Do Not Disturb mode behavior. Create custom settings. You can also edit this if you wish to. Let's go back. And all you really need to do now, if you want to have it enabled, tap on this, go back, and there we go back. Should be enabled, unless I have to check it on here as well. Kind of weird. But now it will basically turn on itself every day, Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. and yeah, so that is how you would set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.